So welcome back everyone. I am here again with another video, and in this video we'll be talking about the cue card, that is, describe an old friend you got in contact with again, and the cues for the same are who he or she is, what he or she is like, how you got in contact, and explain how you felt about it. So on this topic there are plenty of scenarios that we can think of. For example, there is our old friend that we have lost contact in a 10th or 11th class, but due to the advent of technology we got in touch with him or her again. So this is one scenario. Then the other scenario is that you met your old friend in someone's marriage, or you met him or her accidentally when you were visiting a new place. So there can be many scenarios. So let's see this cue card in action. Well, with the advent of technology, the world has become a smaller place. Nowadays, within one swipe of a gesture and a single touch on our mobile screen, we can reach any person across the world. The social gap is diminishing day by day with the help of several platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. And to get well versed with these applications is a piece of cake for everyone. So here I will make full use of this opportunity to speak about my dear friend whom I had made contact recently during the lockdown phase due to the blessing in disguise COVID-19 pandemic. Well, his name is Manjinder. He stands at 6 feet tall and has a fair complexion. He is a dear friend of mine and we studied at the same school for about 4 years. After the completion of my school, I took up engineering in India itself, while my friend decided to test out new avenues and went abroad in Toronto for his higher studies. Well, at the beginning, we were in a frequent contact with each other. However, I lost contact with him after a span of 3 months, as we both were caught up with our busy schedules while we were studying at different universities. Apparently, after the successful completion of my college degree, I also decided to go to abroad for my bright future. And at that point of time, without any doubt, one person struck my mind. He was none other than Manjinder. So I made a video call on Instagram and I was over the moon after calling him and getting in touch with each other. Well, I was in a dilemma to go to Australia or Canada for my higher studies, but when I talked to him, he cleared all my doubts in a jiffy. I was bowled over with the accent that he had put after spending 4 years in Canada, and he even went further and told me the process to get enrolled in Canadian universities for my further studies. Well, I was eternally grateful to him to take out time off his busy schedule and explain the things in a simplistic manner that I think none other person could have done. On top of that, we all reminiscent the time that we both together spent at the school. Not only this, but also we both cherish the nostalgic moments of our school, and we both are pretty hopeful that we will meet each other very soon in the future. So this was all about this cue card. I hope that you got some valuable information on how to prepare this cue card, and you can mix up your ideas as well so that you can make this cue card, or you can take this cue card on another level. I hope this information have helped you. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see further cue cards in the future. That's it from my side. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.